Have you been in a situation where you wanted to screen record, but you hesitated because you don't know how it would turn out to be? And if that can be shared on social media with everyone else, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to test a tool that honestly I feel deserves a top spot in our top AI tools list. It's called TruePeer. What it does is it simply takes our boring screen recording and using AI turns that into studio quality output with AI voiceovers, background change, zoom in, and everything it needs before we send it on social media. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight into the tool and understand how it works. Head over to trupeer.ai and let's click on get started. Let's sign up using Google. Let's use the account. Now, as you can see, quick guide. Step 1 is download the Chrome extension. Step 2 is open the extension on any tab and record, talk, click, and repeat. Step 3, click on generate AI content to view your draft, make edits. Step 4, save changes and export the video and doc in any format. Okay. Now let's go to download the Chrome extension. And you have to add it to Chrome, add extension, Chrome extension activated. Now let's go to Chrome extension, which is TruePeer. It'll ask me for access to the microphone, allow this time. And we can change the language if you want. We can show the toolbar, which comes over here, right, to control it. I'll keep it on, that's fine. Show more options, we have countdown, right, which will help us to begin our recording. I'll click on start recording. It'll ask me the permission to capture content of my screen. I'll click on allow, and then it's asking me whether I want a Chrome tab or Windows or entire screen, normal stuff when we are recording our screen or sharing our screen. So I'll go with entire screen. And I'll select this one. Click on share. And I'm going to busymeet.io, our all-in-one SaaS platform that is going to be launched very soon, right? So I'll just walk you through this particular platform, okay? And this will include your email handling, meetings, task management, invoices, hiring, and everything which is required for small or medium scale businesses, right? And even if you are a freelancer, you can still use this platform. We will announce this as soon as it is launched. Right now, you can register on the portal and we will inform you once it is fully ready. Okay. Now I've given you a walkthrough of all of this, right? And let me come back. Okay, now I can go over here and stop this. Let's come back. Or rather, it would open a new tab, which will show us the entire recording. Let's meet live. Right? Now, once you feel that this is good enough, we can go to generate AI content. But before that, we can also select template. Okay, what should be the background of the video? So whatever you have recorded will basically come in this box and there will be a background, right? So let's go, like we have 3 options to choose from: marketing demo, user onboarding, or sales demo. Let's say marketing demo, select template and click on generate AI content. It will just take a few seconds and we should be able to see some magic happening behind the scenes. While it is processing, I would like to tell you that imagine of this tool as your screen recorder plus agent together, right? So you record the screen, but avatar used is very different. You could have your own avatar, your own voice, but that requires you to train and you will have to take the paid plan. But even otherwise, you can use somebody else's avatar that they already have, right? So the output will be full studio quality without any background noise and with light music if you would like to. Okay, again, while this is getting ready, let's go back to TruePeer, and we can also upload a video. Okay, and if I go to upload the video, you can see that we can upload maximum of 200 MB and max length of 3 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to upload one of our first video in this series, which was I decided to do a 1,000-day challenge, right? So we have crossed 300 days recently, and all thanks to all of you for the amazing support and love that you have shown all throughout this journey. And I hope you will keep doing that throughout this 1,000 days. Thank you once again. Now I've uploaded this. We can change the language if you want. We can select the template like we already saw. Let's leave it as is. Okay, we can edit this and so on and so forth. Let's first submit this. Okay, the AI uses your audio as context for generating a script, right? So does your video have audio? Yes. Click on confirm. And so this is processing. Let's come back here. I doubt it takes this long. Maybe it's stuck in the loop. Let me try refreshing. Okay, it's still processing. So this could not be processed. And what about this? This is getting processed now. The one I recorded could not be processed, but I believe that's what got downloaded here. Let me just quickly check. Yeah.
Sweet.
So good thing is, even if they could not process it, they have downloaded that particular file. So I'm going to upload that, this one. Click on submit. Maybe because I started processing both of them. So 1,000 days of no code challenge video is almost ready. So let me click on play.
Hello everyone, I'm Ritesh and today I'm starting something huge.
Okay. So we'll go to edit and we can change the script from here. We can change the AI voice from here, right? So you have options of male, female, okay, and you also have some Indian languages. We have Chinese, Portuguese, Dutch, Italian, French, Hindi, right? So let's check this one.
We're going to check out the software. So I'm here on software.com.
Let's start by clicking on Order Now.
Visca calling.
We're going to check out this software. So I'm here on software.com.
We're going to check out this software, so I'm here on software.com.
We have to select this
And
one.
let's start by clicking on Order Now.
I'll have to select Sam. Now let me play this.
Hello everyone, I'm Ritesh and
No, sorry. So I have to refresh the voiceover once I change it. Okay, so I'll have to click on this. And we should be able to see this.
Hello everyone, I'm Ritesh, and today I'm starting something huge. 1,000 days of a no-code challenge.
Okay, now we can add some music in the background. Okay, so add background music. We can add now. So let me play this. So maybe Moonbeam, and we'll reduce the background music volume a bit. And let's try to play this.
Yes, you heard that right. It's 1,000 days. Hello everyone, I'm Ritesh.
And there you go.
Today I'm starting something huge.
So if we don't want that music to be that loud, we can reduce the volume. Okay, let's go back.
Hello everyone, I'm Ritesh, and today I'm starting something huge. 1,000 days of a no-code challenge.
Yeah, so you can adjust whatever music you want, whatever volume you want that to be going along with the original video. Now we can go to visuals and change the background. Background is basically this particular thing, right? So if I select this one, then this gets changed. Likewise, you can add whatever background you like that goes well with your brand colors, or you can also use custom images, right? So you can upload it from here. You can add shadow, you can have rounded corners like you can see here. You can add padding. Okay, so you can check out this one here. It gets adjusted. And there you go. So padding is lesser now. We can go to zoom and we can actually zoom any particular section. I'll show you that. So if we go here,
His story about setting a goal to create one video every day for 1,000 days. And it shared his story about attended the NAS summit in Mumbai and met Musa.
so we have this one. So I'm going to add a zoom over here, right? Not exactly here, but go over here. Yeah. Now you can say which part of the video needs to be zoomed, okay, and for how long. You can also make something like this.
Summit in Mumbai.
So I can show like which part needs to be zoomed in. You can select how much zoom, right? And you can also select the speed of the zoom. Okay. Now, when I come back and play it,
And pushing boundaries together.
you can see what happens.
Why I'm taking on such a big commitment? Well, last month, I attended the NAS summit in Mumbai and met Musair from NAS Data. He shared his story about setting a goal to create.
Right? So we saw that it got zoomed in, right? So we can also ensure that this is shorter just when he comes in.
Last month, I attended the NAS summit in Mumbai and met Musair from NAS Data. He shared his story.
Right? We will also use AI avatar, but this is meant mainly when you want to record the video along with your webcam, or you want to share something where a person is talking, right? Not for a video which already has somebody talking. Okay, so we will check that when we are looking into this particular video editing. Okay. Now let's go to elements and we can add rectangular, circular. So if I add a rectangle here, right? So if I want to highlight a particular thing, then I could highlight that. Okay, something like this. And I can also mention like how long should that rectangular
Setting a goal
be
to
there,
create one.
right? And so on and so forth. So you can see here, the time comes over here. So we can actually edit it over here. Like what should be the time when this rectangle is being shown. I'll delete it. Likewise, we can add the circle. We can also blur something. Let's say, for example, I want to blur this particular thing for whatever reason, right? I can mention like how long should it be blurred. Okay, that's basically this one. So let me just get it back and play.
Setting a goal to create one video every day for 1,000 days. And it transformed everything for him.
So right now it is added for like 5 seconds and that's why it's coming before and after, but we have to adjust that slightly. We can also change the ratio, wide 16:9 or vertical 9:16. You can crop the video as well. Okay, so what I mean by that is, let's say for example, still not coming, but what you can do is you can change what part of the screen should be shown, right? You can adjust that and you can click save changes, which would get the video only the portion that you have selected. Now you can also trim the video. Okay, we will check this out when we are doing the second video because that makes more sense. Now, once everything is good, you can also change the language if you want, translate content and so on and so forth. Of course, delete item, export video, right? So because we are in the free plan, it'll export the video with a watermark. If we don't want watermark, then we'll have to upgrade. Not just this. go to document and you can see the entire thing documented for you, right? It says step by step and so on and so forth. It's actually not a step, but if you are doing it for onboarding or anything of that sort, then you will be able to use this as a document as well, right? And if it's a document, then you can share it with others as well. Now let's go back to the second video, and I'm going to edit this and I'm going to show you what I meant by trim, right? So let's go to trim, and at the end, if I don't want something, I can just get it over here, right? So let's play this first. Image Drive, our all-in-one SaaS platform that is going to be launched very soon, right? So you can see that I took a break, and if I don't want that, I can just go over here, right? I'll come back here. So I'll just come back to this section, split, go here, right? So I'll come back somewhere here, click on split, and this portion I don't need, right? So I'll click on delete block. Now when I come here, play it, Switch Live, our all-in-one SaaS platform that is going to be launched very soon. So I'll just walk you through this particular platform, okay? And this will include your email handling, meetings, task management, invoices, hiring, and everything. Okay, looks like I stopped it before I finished, but anyways, I'll click on trim and regenerate. So now that portion will be trimmed and remaining portion will be stitched together. Okay, the video is ready, right? Now here you can see, welcome to BizMeet. So it's not BizMeet. I'll go ahead and change this, right? Our comprehensive SaaS platform that is set to launch very soon. Let me guide you through this platform, which will manage your emails, meetings, tasks, invoices, hiring, and much more. Let's dive in, right? So that's the script that it has generated basis what I spoke. Now I can do all of these things, okay? And I did the trim just before this. Let me play.
Welcome to bizmeet.io, our comprehensive SaaS platform that is set to launch very soon. Let me guide you through this platform, which will manage your emails, meetings, tasks, invoices, hiring, and much more. Let's dive in.
Yeah. Now I can go to AI avatar and I can use some avatar. I'll have to enable that. And this avatar has come in here. So
Welcome to bizmeet.io, our comprehensive SaaS platform that is set to launch very soon. Let me guide you through this platform.
Right. I could also modify avatar layout. So for example, right now it is this one. I can select this. I can also make the avatar itself as the main section. We could split it into half. Okay, something like this.
Which will manage your emails, meetings, tasks.
Right. And you can add another layout and do all sorts of things. Okay, whatever works best. So if we are doing it for let's say vertical, then we could use this way, right? So let me click on export video, watermark, yes, export video. Of course it has given some other name here. I'm going to change this to BizMeet walkthrough. So let's wait until it downloads the file. By the way, once this is ready, it will send you an email stating that it is ready, because it takes longer time. But we will wait until the end and show what is the output like. And there you go. It is ready. So let's click on this one to see how the video looks like after it's ready. So I have to play from you.
Welcome to bizmeet.io, our comprehensive SaaS platform that is set to launch very soon. Let me guide you through this platform, which will manage your emails, meetings, tasks, invoices, hiring, and much more. Let's dive in.
Let me play.
Welcome to bizme.io.
You can see here this is zoomed out a lot, so we'll have to make that change, but we've already seen how to do that. So I hope you'll be able to do it from your end. And that's TruePeer for you. Honestly, I've been in multiple situations where I wanted to screen record and share it with clients or onboarding and so on and so forth, but I was not at my desk and my team member was hesitant to do so. If we had this platform back then, probably it would have saved a lot of time and energy. But anyways, it's available now. So for those of you who wants to screen record with your products or anything else, please go and give it a try and share in the comments what was your experience like. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.